Hello and welcome to owmyback-packing. I'm Heather, an over 50s traveller exploring Thailand one road trip at a time. Backpacking? Well, kind of. I'm sticking this heavy backpack in the back of this hire car and I'm off for some wild adventures. I'm here to show you that adventure doesn't have an age limit. Adventure is calling and I am answering. So join me for epic road trips, hidden gems and a few out my back moments along the way. So hit subscribe and let's hit the road together. Adventure after 50? Oh, it's just getting started. Hello and welcome. Over the next couple of days I will be making a road trip to Chumphon province with a 3-night stay and then on to Nakhon Siri Tharet as I make my way south in Thailand. I don't know anything about these two provinces, so like and subscribe and let's explore together. But first of all I need to check into my accommodation in the town of Pak Nam. Check out our playground for the next 3 days or a week or 3 weeks. So right on the promenade on the seafront there is a replica of a huge aircraft carrier. Not quite sure why. So I'm just crossing a bridge to go and have a look at Wat Lam Son, and there's a huge lake and it's filled with catfish and the local people are chucking in sacks of food, so clearly they're being very well looked after. And also there appears to be quite a few turtles in here. Some of them are quite huge. I'm just going to have a little walk around this temple and see what we can find. That is pathetic. Quite sure what this is. It appears to be a fish made of metal with propellers for a tail. Okay. Just taken a short drive along the coast to Koh Phatak Chumphon Pier, which is the pier where you would apparently get a boat over to the small island of Koh Phatak. It looks like this pier's been newly constructed. I've never seen that before. The electric cables literally run straight across the water to the island. There's a lovely shiny octopus. I've just come across this rather posh coffee shop, so let's go and have a little look inside and see what this is all about. Looks very swanky.
Look at that beach.
Well, this is a bit of a turn up. Looks very posh in here. I think I'll just order one coffee and forget the cakes. Really beautiful view from up here though. Now I'm just driving back to the hotel and I'm not really quite sure what that is up ahead, but I am going to try and find out. I don't even know what to say. It's a car that's a boat, or a boat that's a car. I have no idea. Look at the smoke it's chucking out. I hope that is just exhaust and it's not on fire. Okay, I'm going to overtake and see if I can get ahead so I can film it coming towards me. Well, it's good night from Chumphon and I'll see you in the morning. Today I'm on the second part of our road trip and we're leaving Chumphon and heading to Nakhon Siri Tharet. Just look at the colours on these trucks, and I love the Michelin men on the front and all the chrome as well. It's so colourful.
So I've checked into this lovely hotel that's right on the beach. That's really quite spectacular. Usual bathroom, wet room, shower, but most importantly, that out there is the beach.
Just the other side of the pool.
So this is where we're currently staying. And it is the Loma Resort. And I think this is costing about €30 a night. Good afternoon, I am at Wat Chedi, which is a huge temple that apparently celebrates the cock.
I'm not sure what's going on as the Chinese New Year was a couple of weeks ago. Just taking a sneaky peek at this Buddha as there's a lot of people praying. And I'm not sure what deity this is for, but I'm feeling their vibe.
That is a couple of huge cocks. They got to be 25 foot each. I think we're at the cock overflow area. There's thousands and thousands.
that's a little bit more tranquil. It was extremely loud over the other side.
I've just come across the best thing I've ever seen in a Thai temple. Look, it's a bully. Gorgeous bully statue. It's better than 10,000 cocks. Right at the end is an emerald Buddha. And that one is a real cockerel. There's quite a few of them running around here. These two cockerels are actually made out of feathers. That's real chicken feathers.
This is the Khao Nan National Park. The entry price was 100 baht per person.
We're off to the waterfall. Another beautifully kept national park. Thailand, you are spoiling us. Hopefully it's not too far a walk to the waterfall because it's so humid here. I think it must be like 80%. It's not even that hot. It's only about 28 degrees, but the humidity is crazy right now. Oh, I can see it peeking through the trees. Let's go and take a look. Loads of Thai people here stopping for their lunch. What a beautiful spot. So I've got some papaya salad, which is probably going to blow my socks off. Let's
give that a little taste. And I've got a green Thai curry, which looks really rather delicious. Try that. Really good. So I have a little confession to make. I booked into the Loma Resort about 3 days ago, and since I've been here I've done nothing. It is beautiful, it's so relaxing, so peaceful, and I've done zero filming and zero editing, so I thought we'd best leave here and move on south and start pulling my finger out and actually doing some work. Let's be honest, if you were here, you probably wouldn't do any work for 3 days either. You'd probably sit on the beach all day, eat food from the restaurant that's here, drink drinks that are so cheap you can have 10 instead of 1. Don't blame me. So I'll see you next time in the next video. So please subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch up with you soon. Take care.